So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to contact a seller on Temu. So first of all, open the Temu app. From here you can see at the bottom home, categories, cart. You can search for Temu at the top part of the page. Now through here you can open your products. So you can go to you and you can see your orders if you wish to contact the seller. You can also open up a certain item and you can see underneath some recommended reviews and so on. You can see some other pictures on here, so you can see the shop where it's based on and you can follow them to get some info on that shop. Now, as it contains this certain seller, you can't directly talk to them since Temu doesn't offer that feature quite yet. But what you can do is go to their help page, or rather customer page, and through their support you can click on contact us, and once you find the product that you ordered or are interested in, just find the product link and then they will try to get the information necessary for you. Since there isn't an actual direct link with the seller, you can contact them indirectly through the customer support and customer service. So that's about it. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Temu or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.